At 10 a.m. we'll see the annual revision for March's non-farm payrolls, and later at 2 p.m., the release of the July FOMC meeting minutes. In pre-market trading we have some movement. Trading higher are Target, NIO, and Sirius XM. On the other hand, trading lower are NVDA, JD.com, and Bitfarms. For today's earnings reports, here's what we've got. In the pre-market, we'll hear from Target, Macy's, and TJX companies. After the market closes, keep an eye out for reports from Snowflake, Zoom, and Wolfspeed. In the news today, Target Inc., TGT, up 12.7%. Gapping up after its second quarter 2024 earnings report, with earnings of $2.57 per share and sales of $25.45 billion, beating estimates of $2.20 and $25.229 billion, respectively. The company reported a 2% increase in comparable store sales and an 8.7% increase in digital comparable sales for the quarter. Target raised its adjusted earnings per share guidance for fiscal 2024 from $8.60 to $9.60 to $9.70, compared to estimates of $9.36, and projected adjusted earnings of $2.10 to $2.40 per share for fiscal third quarter compared to estimates of $2.27. JD.com Inc., JD, down 7.09%. Gapping down after Walmart, its largest shareholder, confirmed that it is looking to sell its entire stake in the Chinese e-commerce firm for roughly $3.74 billion. Walmart first invested in the company in 2016 as part of a strategic alliance. The sale reflects declining interest in China's e-commerce sector due to poor margins and weak consumer demand, with Walmart planning to refocus on its own operations in China. Alphabet and Apple, down 0.21%. On watch as a pair after Britain's competition watchdog, the CMA, announced that it has closed its investigations into both companies' app stores ahead of the implementation of the forthcoming Digital Markets Competition and Consumers Act, or DMCCA. The CMA had initially launched the probes after finding that Apple and Google held an effective monopoly over app distribution in Britain, but now plans to address these concerns under the new legislation expected later this year. Google, AAPL. Tesla Inc., TSLA, up 0.09%. On watch after recalling 9,136 Model X vehicles from 2016 in the US due to concerns that improperly attached cosmetic trim pieces on the roof could separate and pose a road hazard, as per the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. This recall, following a similar recall in 2020 deemed insufficient, will involve testing and reattaching the trims at no cost to the customer, though no related collisions or injuries have been reported. Macy's Inc., M, down 7.84%, gapping down following its Q2 2024 earnings report, with sales of $4.937 billion missing analyst estimates of $5.118 billion. Adjusted earnings of $0.53 per share, however, exceeded estimates of $0.29. The company lowered its FY 2024 net sales guidance from $22.3 billion to $22.9 billion, to $22.1 billion to $22.4 billion, and projected a decrease in comparable sales by 0.5% to 2%. The TJX Companies Inc., ticker symbol TJX, is up by 2.37%, trading higher pre-market after its second quarter 2025 earnings report. The company reported GAAP earnings of 96 cents per share, above estimates of 91 cents, and sales of $13.468 billion, exceeding expectations of $13.307 billion. Comparable store sales grew by 4% on a year-over-year basis. TJX raised its earnings per share forecast for fiscal 2025 from $4.03 to $4.09 to $4.09 to $4.13, still below analyst estimates of $4.14. Its third quarter earnings per share guidance came in just below analyst expectations. The company also expects $2 billion to $2.5 billion in stock buybacks during fiscal 2025. Bitfarms Lautanid, ticker symbol BITF, is down by 7.63%, trading sharply lower pre-market after announcing its acquisition of Stronghold Digital Mining. The transaction will take place via a $125 million stock-for-stock merger, with shareholders of Stronghold set to receive 2.52 Bitfarms shares for each of their shares in Stronghold. Big Bear.ai Holdings Inc., ticker symbol BBAI, is up by 28.94%, trading higher pre-market after securing a subcontractor role under Concept Solutions, which was awarded a Federal Aviation Administration IT contract. The company will assist Concept Solutions in managing information systems and implementing innovative solutions for the FAA as part of a $2.4 billion contract spanning over 10 years. Big Bear's stock has a 6.8% short float and has rallied in the past. Revelation Biosciences Inc., ticker symbol REVB, is up by a whopping 140.79%, gapping up on no apparent catalyst. The stock has a market capitalization of $1.71 million and a float of 1.64 million shares, approximately 2.6% of which are sold short.